All right, let's ride Slinky Dog Dash. It is the new family double launch coaster here at Toy Story Land at Disney's Hollywood Studios, and we're starting right away. We're launching up that first initial lift. Nice little kick. Oh, great views of the land here. Oh! There's Jessie. Oh, nice little helix here. Oh, a little air time. Lots of curves on this one. Now we're coming in to set up for the second launch. We're in Andy's backyard. He built this thing. Who knew he was an aspiring Imagineer? Ratchet backward. Ready, set, power up.
Here we go.
And let's go. Second launch up another hill here. Oh. And we're down and around into the bunny hops. Whoa. You can really see the dog Slink now. Coming around. Big final turn here. Now for the big finale.
You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough and you're miles and miles from a nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. You got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me.